In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align and distribute objects in PowerPoint efficiently within just 5 minutes. This is a handy skill, whether you're crafting a captivating presentation or polishing up your slides for a professional meeting. Let's dive right in and learn how to make your PowerPoint slides neat and orderly. First things first, we'll begin by opening a browser and performing a quick search for Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you've done that, locate the appropriate link to open PowerPoint. It's important to remember that you may need to log in with your Microsoft account credentials. If you have your details ready, log in and you'll find yourself on the PowerPoint home screen. Next up, we're going to navigate to the Home tab. Take a look around and locate the Arrange option. This is where you'll find some of the essential tools for aligning and distributing objects on your slides. It's typically found in the Drawing or Layout section, depending on your version of PowerPoint. Once you find the Arrange option, click on it and you'll see a few choices appear. What we're interested in right now is the Align option under Position Objects. Clicking on Align will open a drop-down menu containing several alignment options for your objects. This is where the magic truly happens. Now let's explore these alignment options. You could opt to align objects to the left, center, or right if you're working with a horizontal view. Alternatively, for a vertical view, you have the option of aligning them to the top, middle, or bottom. This flexibility is perfect for achieving that precise, clean look you're aiming for on your slides. Beyond aligning individual objects, you also have the option to align them with respect to the slide as a whole or to other selected objects. This can be particularly useful when you're working on slides with multiple elements and you want them to look consistent and professionally arranged. Additionally, PowerPoint offers the ability to distribute objects evenly. This can be done horizontally or vertically. Simply go back to the Align menu and you'll see these distribute options available. What this does is ensure the spacing between each object is uniform, creating a more organized appearance. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to align and distribute objects within PowerPoint like a pro. With consistent practice, you'll find this process becomes second nature, ensuring your presentations are always polished and visually appealing. Remember, alignment and distribution are key to making your slides stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.